Recently, Apple added a repair state feature that is designed to allow an iPhone to be sent in for service without having to deactivate Find My and activation lock. Earlier, sending an iPhone to Apple for repair required disabling Find My, since Apple states that it might not repair devices with Find My activated. However, disabling Find My also turns off activation lock, a crucial security feature that prevents unauthorized use of an iPhone with a different Apple ID. That said, let me show you how to easily enable the repair state feature on your iPhone. But before activating the repair state feature on your iPhone, I would recommend you to fully back up your iPhone. You can back up your device either to your computer or via iCloud. In addition, for security reasons, you should remove any cards and passes from Apple Wallet as well. To do so, open the Wallet app on your iPhone. Then select a card or pass. Then tap on the More button. After that, tap on Card or Pass Details. And lastly, tap on Remove Card or Pass. And now it's time to learn how to enable the repair state on your iPhone. To do so, open the Find My app on your iPhone. Then select your iPhone in the devices list. After that, tap on Remove this device at the bottom of the card. Then tap on Continue at the prompt to enable repair state, and that's pretty much it. When the feature is enabled in the Find My app, the iPhone shows a stethoscope icon and can still be marked as lost. It's worth pointing out that the iPhone must be online and trackable via Find My for the repair state option to be available. If the iPhone is offline, it will show the standard removable text, and that's all there is to it. So that's how you can easily enable and use the repair state feature on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy iPhone tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye-bye.